The Light.K.Board is a fully portable, light-weighted device which uses advanced laser technology. The Light.K.Board features English keyboard layout, as well as a phone stand, power bank, USB connection and Bluetooth connection 3.0. The package includes a USB Type-C cable and a user's manual in it. When connecting the keyboard to your phone, it will appear as Laser Projection Keyboard. Bluetooth 3.0 or higher is required for connecting to most devices. This is an example of how you connect the keyboard to a computer using Bluetooth. The Light.K.Board is compatible with latest operating systems, Windows 7 or higher, iOS 8 and higher, Android 4.0 and higher, Mac OS X and higher, Windows Phone 7 and higher. The laser's brightness will lower if there is no contact with the keyboard within 30 seconds. Press any key to go back to normal brightness. If you want to adjust the brightness, hold Fn and tap up or down arrow key. To adjust sound level, hold Fn and tap left or right key. The device's laser will disappear if the device isn't placed correctly on the table.